She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Happy New Year, guys. Just wanted to wish you all the best in this new year. Thanks for joining me for another video. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make a quick little appetizer or snack. If you want a sweet little treat here and there, we're going to go ahead and make some strawberries and cream delights. So as you can see, there's not too many ingredients for this recipe. Just some crackers, strawberries, some whipped topping or whipped cream, and some honey. So with those basic ingredients, we're going to go ahead and make a tasty little sweet appetizer or treat that I'm sure you guys are going to love. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. So what do you think of these sweet little treats? I think they are adorable and they are also delicious to eat, especially if you do love strawberries. It actually reminded me of a strawberry cheesecake with that buttery Ritz cracker and then the cream and the strawberries. You could also use cream cheese instead of the whipped cream if you like, to give it more of that cheesecake effect. But I definitely think this hit the spot with making it taste like a little mini cheesecake. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe and all the flavors today. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried this combination before. Share the video out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you still have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.